So, we're gonna do some binaural... I don't hear myself, so it's quite weird. A clap. We're gonna do some binaural recordings for a change. Because it's kind of funny. See what happens. I'll explain later because I cannot hear myself. It's quite annoying. And now your laptop almost drops, but it's okay. First song is Anbrun with it all starts with 1. Then some Skull Hacker from Mike Gordon, Doom original soundtrack. That's quite it's a long song, we're not gonna listen to it completely. But it has some weird stuff going on, face issues and such. I'll show you later on. And some Sophie Lettre, some remix from Bear. So let's see what it does. And let's check the volumes as well. These days. It's hard to remember, I have to sit at the right position as well.
There were nights and mornings when you clung to me, found your way into my bones, my joints, into my veins. Like an animal, you coiled your darkness around me. You spelled your name in charcoal all over my body. But these days I just walk with you. These days I'll let you stay. A little further away, but I'll walk with you. These days I'll let you stay. There were summer days and nights when I was blind to you. You were quiet and you were still, even when the moon was full. My temporary state of lightness would scare me. After all, I was sure you were more strong than I was daring. But these days I choose to walk with you. These days I'll let you stay. These days I just talk with you. These days I'll let you stay. A little further away, but I'll walk with you. These days I'll let you stay. The things you've shown me over the years, the roads you blocked and how you define me. These days I just walk with you. These days I'll let you stay. These days I just talk with you. These days, these days These days, these days.
This is the weirdest shit ever. Because I don't hear shit. I am gonna plug in the monitoring, see if it's really annoying. Hello? Okay. So I can slightly hear myself right now. Without monitoring, it's really weird. It's like listening with headphones, but without sound coming through. So it's quite annoying, actually. I don't know if it was really loud. I have no clue. Was it loud?
No.
No? Okay. That's good. So, okay. The volume is okay. Yeah. So we go to Skull Hacker from the Doom soundtrack. It is not, I don't think anyone likes it very much. I do, but it's kind of a messy song, but it has some weird phasing issues and weird stuff. And I'll show you after why it probably has some weird stuff in it. But yeah, I'm not gonna do the full 7 minutes. I don't think I can handle that. I think a few minutes is enough. Is there room for a little bit more? Because I cannot hear. Okay. It's a good time to stop this madness. It's weird because I don't hear anything. It's like I have no clue how loud it is. Apparently it is quite loud, but it's kind of weird. You have to try this because it's really weird. Okay, so next song, Sophie Lettre Or is it I don't know. It's Bear, and it's a remix from JT. Also a lot of tiny noises inside, so we're wondering what it will do on this binaural recording. Maybe I'll do a quick walk as well, because people ask, is the vertical dispersion really shitty? Well, we will see. Warn me if it's too loud, if they cannot handle it, because I cannot hear it, which would be a shame. show you some vertical dispersion, how bad it is, or not that bad, depending. So I'll go behind the camera. So I'm standing behind the camera now, so there is probably less high, but it's not that terrible. Probably less, but So yeah, it's funny because we wanted to see or hear the difference between this binaural recording, and we have XY in the back, just underneath the camera, to see what the differences are, or hear. Because I was wondering, well, it's not actually because Case had this binaural thing. He happens to have it on him, so that was nice. But I did wonder about why the low end was always gone in my recording. So, and it took me some time to think about it. I thought, okay, there are like cardiac mics on the Zoom, which usually doesn't pick up low end as well as omnidirectional, like my measuring mic, for instance. So these binaural things are omnidirectional, so hopefully it will show up, or if we can hear the difference, that would be nice. Also, binaural sounds cool anyway. If you have a headset, use it.